Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So today I am at Rona. I actually came looking at paving stones, but I thought I would check out the house plants because the weather is warm and it's a great time to transport plants. And right now what we're looking at here is a bunch of beautiful succulents. We have lots of aloe veras, cactuses galore, different kinds of succulents here and little groupings of them, which are really sweet. Look at the cactus, all different kinds. Sedums. Your hens and chicks, nice variety there. Look at that beautiful pink blue foliage. The camera doesn't do them justice how pretty they are in the light. Maybe you can see it a little bit here, but from a distance you can see that silvery pink glow on them. Very, very beautiful. There are a number of tropical plants. These are the larger ones. They're running at about $99.99 for the majestic palms. These are the corn plants here. Nice and healthy. Look how beautiful those trunks are on them. We're going to go over here. And now we're getting into more of the foliage plants. Your peperonas here, Dieffenbachias, different kind of vines, English ivies, croton plants. Over here, they have a nice variety of Swiss cheese plants at $29.99 for those. A little more pricey. And look at the mums. The ones inside are beautiful. The ones outside, not so great. So if I was going to use these, I would use them in an arrangement inside to retain this gorgeous beauty and do a mix with a bunch of pumpkins. I think they would be gorgeous. And then the clincoys are looking beautiful. These are the doubles. They also have singles. One thing I was marveling at was the violets. Look at the beautiful colors in the violets. If you're looking for a certain color to add to your collection, now is the time to gather some, because I mean, they're just phenomenal. Beautiful little ruffled leaves on them. They have 3 shelves of them, so no trouble there finding a color that you want for decorating. Then we're into more of the houseplants here, and then the single clincoys. And you see there's the double up there in the orange, and then here is the single in the orange. Very reasonable on their pricing for the smaller containers. Let's go look at other foliage plants. All right, here's some larger pots here of a variety of plants. I really love the veining on these. I think they're gorgeous. And you can see they don't have proper naming on them, but they are just looking glorious. And look at how full in here it is. And the sun's beating through the windows. Here are your tried and true climbers. Lots of philodendrons in here. My favorites for fall color. And then you can see here the fiddle leaf viscus. Lots of them. Let's just walk around and I'll show you what else they have here. A lot of ferns right now. I see stacks of ferns. I've seen these outside as well. Once they take a cold hit though, they'll be finished out there. Snake plants, all different types. Polka dot plants. Their foliage plants are sitting at $3.99. These are in bloom. Aren't they beautiful? Look at these dainty little flowers. In some ways, they remind me of bleeding heart. Of course, they aren't, but these are beautiful, beautiful begonias. The variegation on these is absolutely amazing. These are dragon plants over here. And then these, I'm just going to reach in and grab a tag here if I can. Oh, these are unusual to me because they're a thicker spider plant. I'm used to the thinner ones. And then this table here, I was very interested in some of the plants here because if you look at the spider plants here, you can actually divide these into 3 plants, which is a real win. Down this aisle, we have a nice variety as well in fiscus. Lots of fiscus, lots of rubber plants here. Beautiful colors. Into our palms over here. Some really nice size ones. If you're looking for a quality plant to take home and you want large, I would say those would be the way to go. Just be prepared because these are all $54.99 and those are running at actually $69.99 for the smaller pots. So they're probably $100 for the bigger pots of those. So this is where things are at for houseplants right now in the garden centers. We're slowly transitioning to winter, and if you're looking for plants, and these are air purifiers, so they're going to clean the air for you nicely, then have a look at the houseplants now so you can transport them when it's warm and you don't have to double and triple bag them and wrap them in newspapers. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everybody.